Thanksgiving in a blanket is one of the most delicious ways to use up your Thanksgiving leftovers. Let's start with some crescent rolls, put a little bit of flour down underneath. Now let's start layering our leftovers. Mashed potatoes first, get some turkey on top. Prepare to use your hands, it's the easiest way. Let's get some stuffing now layered on top of that, and each layer kind of push it down a little bit. Let's get some cranberry sauce on top, and now let's fold up those crescent rolls, creating a nice little delicious pocket for all of that goodness. Crimp those sides so nothing opens up and leaks out as it's baking. Have your oven preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. There they are. They look absolutely delicious. Serve them with some leftover gravy on the side. Just a great, great recipe. Let me know what you think. Give me a like and a subscribe.